So the name of the company is Flourish Bakery. So this is the address, the owner name, date of establishment, which is 16 March 2018. The type of business is cooperative. So as an owner, I need an assistant, which is assistant manager. So we have several department, which is sales department, production department, financial department, bakery department, and marketing department. We proceed to the next, which is calculation for payroll report. The example for marketing department: regular pay, hourly rate, time regular hour. So hourly rate is 9 ringgit per hour times 40 hour, how many hour he work. Then we get 360 ringgit. For overtime, we need to know overtime rate, then we time to overtime hours work. So here overtime rate is 1.5 times 9 ringgit. Then we time 8 hour, which is how many hour he work. Then we get 108 ringgit. For commission, total sales time commission rate. Commission rate we give 50%. So total sale we get 650 ringgit. Then we times 50%. Then we get 325 ringgit. For gross pay, we just add all of it, which is regular pay plus overtime pay plus commission plus piecework earning. Because he doesn't have piecework earning, so we just add we just add regular pay, overtime pay, and commission. Then we get 793 ringgit. So next example is for production department. Regular pay just the same, overtime pay also the same, but the difference is piecework earning is pay per item times number of item. We give 1 ringgit and 50 cent for pay per item. Then we times 60, we get 90 ringgit. So the gross pay is the same, we just add all of it, but here he doesn't have commission. So we just add regular pay, overtime pay, and lastly plus piecework earning. We get 513 ringgit.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Wan Hafizah Arif bin Muhammad. Firstly, I would like to talk about trial balance. The purpose of a trial balance is to ensure that all entries made into an organization's general ledger are properly balanced. Therefore, if the debit total and credit total on a trial balance do not match, this indicates that one or more transactions were recorded in the general ledgers that were unbalanced. Otherwise, the purpose of the income statement it is to provide the financial earning performance of the entity over a specific period of time. The income statement is one of three critical company financial statement for investor analysis. So for the last one, it's about the balance sheet. The purpose of the balance sheet is to reveal the financial status of a business as of a specific point in time. The statement show the DTO assets. It show asset, liability, and equity. So that this information is more valuable when the balance sheet for several consecutive period group together. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So here we can see the payroll report of Flourish Bakery. This is the payroll report of ending date 5 June 2020. We have 11 employees and 10 departments, which are sales department, production, assistant manager, financial manager, owner, head baker, assistant head baker, baker, cashier, and marketing. We have 2 employee to care of baker department. So here the type of our payroll, our rate, regular hour, regular pay for overtime hour, overtime pay for and commission, piecework earning, and gross pay. If we see here, the highest of gross pay is the owner. Of course, the owner, which 1,200. We can see the difference of the gross pay because every duty of department is different. Why we saw the look at the cashier, it is the lowest, which 245. The total gross pay is 6,237 and 50 cents. So this is the payroll report for the 5 June 2020.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tunku Muhammad Norman bin Tunku Rahim. My metric number is A19A0936. First, we discuss about formula and description. Number one is simple interest or compound interest. I equal to PRT, where is I simple interest in RM, P principal, which is starting amount of money or amount of land or borrow. R, rate of simple interest percent per annum. T, time of term in years. And second, for sum for simple interest equal to P open bracket 1 plus RT close bracket, where is S simple amount or sum in RM, I interest in RM, P principal in RM, R annual interest rate in RM, T period of time in yearly basis. And for last formula in and description is sum of compound interest. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus close bracket power n, where is S amount accumulate at the end of certain period of future value, P amount invest or present value or loan, I K or M, I periodic interest, K nominal interest, and MT. M frequency of conversions, T period of time in yearly basis. So we calculate in this table. First, for loan from relative, 100,000 multiply 7% multiply 1.5 equal to 10,500 ringgit. S equal to P open bracket 1 plus RT close bracket. We calculate 100,000 open bracket 1 plus 7% multiply 1.5 equal to 1,100 and 500. For loan from bank ABC, I equal to PRT 100,000 multiply 6.5% multiply 7 equal to 4,500,000 equal to 4,500,000 no equal to 45,500. And for formula sum of compound interest equal P open bracket 1 plus K per M, close bracket empty, equal to 100,000, open bracket 1 plus 0.065 per 2, close bracket 2 close bracket 2 multiply 7 equal to 556,480 ringgit Malaysia, 723 sen. And for the last promissory notes, amount 100,000, please. Lot 1957 B, Jalan Panji, Kampung Cempaka, 16100, Kota Baru, Kelantan. I, Mr. Muhammad Ali Asgar bin Amirullah, the owner of Flavorist Bakery, made committed to pay back 100,000 only for a value received with the interest rate of 7% for the 18 months until paid to Mr. Hakim bin Ramli, which is my relative. As a borrower, I am aware the right to be informed that the note can be transferred by the lender to another party. The original term and agreement will remain effective, but the debt be agreed upon at the time to transfer. Thank you for your cooperation. All for me, thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Sakif Ilman bin Nairawi. My metric number is A19A1015. I will continue with question number 3C. Okay, so let's go. Okay, this is an invoice that Muhammad Ali Asghar bin Amirullah received from the supplier that he received at 1 July 2020. So Ali buy a 2 oven that's the cost amount just 6,000, and Ali get a discount as much 3% only. That's mean 3% from 6,000. So the total that Ali have to pay to supplier is 5,820. So this is another invoice, and this the cash discount, how we count the discount that Ali received. So this is the formula that of trade discount: normal price equal list price and minus amount of trade discount. And this is a calculation of trade discount. So 6,000, that means all price oven multiply 3%, and then we can get RM 118. So 6,000 minus 118, we can get RM 5,820. So Ali have to pay only 5,820 to the supplier. Okay, that's all for me.
Okay, hi, my name is Nurhafizah binti Muhammad Ali Khan. My metric number is 19B0533. So today I would present question 3. Alright, for question A, identify the machinery used in your company, hence estimate the cost of each machinery based on the real market. Okay, in this case, I choose 5 machinery, which is car, oven, chiller, mixer and money counter. Okay, this one for unit. cost per unit, and this one for total cost, and the total is 74,000, right? I choose only one machinery to explain the details how to calculate. Okay, example, depreciation of car, and the cost is 60,000, useful life 20 years, and scrap value is 10,000, and this one formula to calculate, and the answer is 8.6% for rating. Okay, B. Based on the fixed cost of machinery that your company bought on table 2, select one machine and construct a depreciation schedule for 6 years using designing balance method. Okay, this one depreciation on schedule end of year rates at 0.6%, and no depreciation today and okay, only first year. This one details to calculate the book value of a certain year. Okay, this one familiar, and the answer is 54,840. Okay, this one depreciation of a certain year, formula, calculate, and the answer is 5,160. And lastly, accumulated depreciation formula, and my answer is 5,160.
My name is Ali Nazar bin Adin Yahya. My matrix number is A19A1121. So today I will present about question number 4. So based on the bank loan that your company has identified in table 1 at 4.5% compound monthly is to be amortized by 12 months. A, calculate the monthly payment. So the bank loan is 100,000 and the balance is 100,000 also. So hence the monthly payment after the calculation, hence the monthly payment is 8,537 ringgit and 80 cents. So next is how to construct the amortization schedule. So the I is 0.00375. To calculate interest paid is I times by beginning balance, the principal paid, monthly payment minus interest paid, and the ending paid equal beginning balance minus principal paid. For the example of the calculation, interest paid, example is 0.037 minus 100,000 equal 375. That's the interest paid. Next is principal paid. Example is 8537.86 minus 375 equal 8162.86. And the ending paid is 100,000 minus 8162.86 equal 91 ringgit 83 cents and 14 cents. So that's all for me. Thank you.